students. Hello students, we will be starting with the optimal page replacement algorithm today. The reference string you have understood. I have already told this to you in the earlier two algorithms. This reference string is nothing but the pages CPU that is CPU is requesting for. So 701, these are the pages CPU is requesting from. The frame numbers that we are using is 3. Now PF is nothing but your page faults. So we have written this reference string in the table format, and F1, F2, F3, these are the frames, and page faults row we have given. Now initially this frames are empty. Now these frames can be, it is not always compulsory that this should be 3 in size. It can be 4, 5, anything. Accordingly you have to solve the problem. Now see, now this see the frames are empty. So initially when 7 comes, we will write here 7. Then comes what? Then comes what? 0. So we will check whether 0 is there into the frames. It is not there. So we have to bring this particular page into this frame. So what we will do, we will bring that. Now here it was a page fault because the page was not present in the memory. Here also 0 was not present in the memory, so that is why it is also a page fault. Then comes 1. 1 has a frame. Yes, it has a frame and it is empty, so we can comfortably bring this page number 1 frame number 3. And that is a page fault. Why? Because this page 1 was not present in the memory, so it is a page fault. So write here 701. Now comes what? 2. Now just check whether 2 is present in the frames contents. 701, it is not present, which means it is a page fault. So we will first write here page fault, and then now we will see how to replace this 2 with this pages in the frames. Now with the help of optimal page replacement algorithm. How do we do that? So in optimal page replacement algorithm, we compare the pages in the right hand side. That means the pages which are at the end or which will be used at the end, at the last, will be replaced. Now see, you have to compare 701. Out of this 701, you have to go here, this direction. That out of this 70, which one is coming at the last? 7. So just check. 7 is where? 7 is somewhere over here. Where is 0? 0 is immediately after 2. So we cannot replace 0. Then comes 1. 1, where is 1? 1 is before 7. So which one will be replaced? 7. Why 7? Because it is at the last. 7 will be used at the last out of the 701. So it will be 201. Right. So here 7 will be replaced. Then comes what? 0. Now check the contents of frames. 201. 0 is there. That means it is a page hit, or it is there is no page fault. So we will write the contents as it is, 201. Then comes what? 3. Check the contents of the frames. 201. Is 3 available? No. Then that is a page miss, matlab page fault. Then we have to check in this particular direction. So how do we do that? So we will check 201. So 0 is immediately after 3. So we cannot replace 0. Then comes what? 2. 2 is there after 0. Then comes 1. 1 is at the end. So we can very well replace this 1 with 3. So which means now 3 will come here and this 20 as it is. Right. Then comes what? 0. 0 is there in the memory, so no page fault. So it is a page hit. So we will write the contents as it is. Then comes 4. Now 4, is the 4 available in frames? No. Then that is a page fault. Now which page to be replaced with the help of optimal page replacement algorithm? So here, out of this 203, check this side. 2 is coming immediately. 0, 2 के after 2 which one is coming immediately? 3, and then is coming 0. So at last which one is coming? 0. That means 0 will be replaced by 4. So now the contents are 2, 4, 3. Right? Now comes what? 2. Now this 2. Check the contents in the frames. It is there. That means no page fault. So write as it is 2, 4, 3. Then comes 3. Yes, check the contents of the frames. 3 is there. So no page fault. Write the contents as it is 2, 4, 3. Now comes 0. 0 is there in the contents of frames? No. That means it is a page fault. So write here page fault. And now which page to replace? Go to this side. Now out of this 2, 4, 3, 3 is coming immediately, 2 is coming immediately after 3, and 4, if you see, 4 is not there in the string, like it is not used anywhere in the future. So very well this 4 can be replaced. So 2, 0, 3. Then comes 3. This 3, check the contents in this frames. Is it available? Yes, it is available. So no page fault, it is a page hit. So we'll write the contents as it is. Okay. Then comes 2 again. 2, check the frame contents. 2 is available, page hit, no page fault. So write the contents as it is. Then comes 1. So 1, check the frame contents. Is 1 available? No. Then that is a page fault. Now which page to be replaced? Using optimal algorithm. So check this side. Contents, which contents to check? 2, 0, 3. 2 is coming immediately, 0 is coming immediately, 3 is not coming anywhere in the string in future. So this 3 can be replaced. So 2, 0, 1. Right. Then let us go for the page number 2. 2 is there in page frame, so no page fault. So 2, 0, 1 as it is. Then comes 0. Check the frames. Yes, 0 is there, so no page fault. Right as it is 2, 0, 1. Then comes 1. 1, check the frame contents. 1 is there, yes, there, so no page faults. Right as it is 2, 0, 1. Now comes 7. 7, check the contents of the frame. 7 is there? No, it is not there. That means it is a page fault. Which page to be replaced? With the help of page replacement algorithm, check in this direction. 0 and 1 is there. 2 is not there, so this 2 can be replaced. So 7, 0, 1. Now comes 0. 0 is there in page frame, so no need of page replacement. So 7, 0, 1 as it is. Then comes 1. So here 1 is there in the page frame ka contents, so no page replacement again. So write 7, 0, 1 as it is, no page faults. Now you calculate the page faults. How many page faults in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in all. So if you compare the page faults of FIFO, if you compare the page faults of FIFO, LRU and optimal, optimal is the one algorithm which will have the lowest page faults. So that is why this is the best algorithm out of these 3. Thank you.